Do you aspire to earn a US degree but worry about the high cost of tuition of a four-year university? Imagine starting a community college, saving tens of thousands of dollars while still be able to transfer to your dream university. Hello everyone, my name is Waseem Haider and I am a professor of Mechanical and Materials Engineering at Central Michigan University here in the United States. In the past year or so, I have helped students from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Africa to get into the US universities. Here in this video, I'll provide you step-by-step guidance on how you can get admission into US community college. So let's get started. So the first step is understanding the community college pathway. So what is a community college? It's usually a two-year institution offering associate degrees and certificates. Who chooses this route? Because it has a lower tuition, it has a smaller class size, and it guaranteed credit transfer via articulation agreements. Step 2 is researching and selecting the right community college. The first step is program alignment. Ensure the college offers your field of study or general education courses required for your bachelor's degree. Articulation agreements. Identify partner universities where you can seamlessly transfer credits. Location and cost of living. Compare town versus university campuses and associated living expense. Student support services. Evaluate international offices, tutoring centers, and career advisors. Step 3 is navigating admission requirement and application process. Academic documents. In general, you'd be required either a high school certificate, FSC, intermediate, or A levels to get into the community college. Also, sometimes you might have to evaluate your high school diploma to get into the community colleges. English proficiency. You might be required to take TOEFL or IELTS or Duolingo or PTE to get into the community colleges. Sometimes they may provide you waiver for your English proficiency requirement based on the certificates which you can get from your high school. Placement tests. Math and English placements. Why they matter and how to prepare for it. Application details. Online portal navigation, personal statement guidelines, and application fee and waiver options. Step 4 is confirming admission and preparing for departure. Acceptance and I-20 documents. Monitoring your portal, requesting for your I-20, and verifying its accuracy. It's very important to recheck and re-look at your I-20 to make sure that it is without any mistakes. Visa interview. Preparing financial documents, admission letter, I-20, and also prepare for common interview questions. I would be very happy to help you to conduct mock interviews for students who are appearing in different consulates and embassies. So I would be very happy to help students who are preparing for visa interview. Pre-departure planning, securing housing, understanding health insurance requirements, and registering for orientation is also an important part for the pre-departure planning. Remember, community colleges are much cheaper than a four-year university. Classroom sizes are usually small in a community college as compared to large four-year university. Community college versus four-year university cost-benefit analysis. The first thing is annual tuition. Annual tuition in the community colleges are usually much lower as compared to four-year university. Living expense. Living expense is also much lower in community colleges as compared to four-year university. The third one is class size and support. So usually there's a small classroom size in community colleges when compared with four-year university. Credit transfer. Credit transfer is guaranteed via articulation for community colleges. And for four-year universities, usually there's no credit transfer. It is not required, it's not needed. Extracurricular activities. It is fewer in community colleges as compared to four-year university where there's extensive research and student life. Time to bachelor's. So community colleges is usually 2 + 2 years programs. So you spend 2 years at a community college and a lot of times you would be spending 2 years in a four-year university. And of course, if you go directly to the four-year university, then you can study there for 4 years and get graduated. Scholarship. Scholarship process in a community colleges is primarily need-based. However, in a four-year university, there are merit-based and departmental awards are also available. So key takeaway is by beginning your studies in a community college, you can save tens of thousands of dollars, build a strong academic record, and transition smoothly into a four-year program. Final tips and closing. Make sure you plan early. Consult with your academic advisor each semester to map your transfer pathway. Maintain excellence. Try to maintain your GPA, and so that it increases your chances of getting scholarship when you transfer from community college to a four-year university. Engage actively, join clubs, attend workshops, and network to enhance your US experience. Budget comprehensively. Plan for textbook, lab fees, and local transportations. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions, any comments. Go and put your comments in the comment box down there. I would be very happy to answer any questions which you might have. Stay motivated, work hard. I'm sure you can apply and I'm sure you'll get admission. Let's work together. I wish you the very best.